What's going on, guys? Treasured up here in the garage with the BR6. For today's video, we're going to be changing the windshield. Yep, something simple, just like the windshield. Now you might be asking, why are you doing a video on the windshield and how to replace the stock windshield? I'll tell you why. There is literally no video that I have found on YouTube showing how to replace the windshield. Is it hard? No, it's not hard whatsoever. It can be tricky depending on how you release or what you loosen to take this guy out, because there are different tabs on the OEM windshield that need to be slowly taken out. Now with that said, let's get to it. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Step number one, we're gonna need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. We're going to remove these 4 screws right over here. They are made out of plastic. Now at this point, the 4 screws are out, and yes, it is loose. However, you cannot pull it out all the way. There are 2 tabs right here, locating tabs that are attached to the windshield right here. And there are 2 tabs on the side which stop it from actually coming out on its own. Step number 2, we're gonna have to loosen the block off plates bolt right here. Just loosen it, not take it off. Or if you have the stock OEM mirrors on there still, once again, just loosen it. You don't have to take it off completely. You have to just loosen it just to be able to wiggle the actual tab through that little area right underneath this fairing. All right, step number 3. Now that those 2 are loose, or the 4 bolts are loose, we're gonna go ahead and grab our windshield. You can see it's a lot easier now to just pull upwards. So you can pull upwards, and I'll show you why it's a lot easier to pull out now than it was before. And that's it, it just comes out. This tab and this tab right here, as you can see, when it's all the way in where it needs to be, is underneath this area right here on the inside underneath the fairing. So this will stop you. Yes, you could technically, bend the windshield, but come on, it's 4 bolts. Look how easy it came out. All right, this is our aftermarket windshield right here. As you can see, it does have the locating tabs. Some do not have the locating tabs whatsoever, but this is going to be the replacement, the tinted windshield from Zero Gravity. Before we do this, we're gonna need to grab the 4 grommets from the OEM, which is right here, those 4 grommets, and put them into these 4 holes right here. Let's go do that. Now the easiest way to do this, I find, is grab a flathead screwdriver and you push one side in and it just pushes the underside, the little rubber grommet, and there it is. That's how simple it is to take out. All right, so now to put the grommet into the aftermarket windshield here, I started on one end, then come in with the flathead and just push it the rest of the way in, like so, and then just keep pushing it into the hole. That is the easiest way I find to put it in, and that's it, and it's in there. Okay, step number 5, I guess. Yeah, step number 5, because number 4 would be to put the grommets in. Step number 5, let's put the windshield in its place. So we're gonna go ahead and slowly put it over top, like so. Line this guy up with the front, line the 2 locating tabs in there, like so. Just that simple. And now step 6, we're gonna go ahead and grab our screws and screw them into our grommets. The windshield is on nice and tight. Those are tightened down. Don't forget, the last step here is to just retighten the block off plates, or if you still have your OEM signal / mirrors on, to tighten those back up. And that's it. The windshield is complete. Nice tinted windscreen for the Yamaha R6. Love the way that looks, the all black. Graham, hope you're gonna be happy with this guy. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that like button. Smash it. Smash that like button. Thanks for watching. Until the next one.